Andrea is a pest up the East Coast, causing tornadoes and also very heavy rain and some winds that are gusty and occasionally causing damage. Let's go ahead and get a little bit closer here. This is the storm as it's moving up the coastline. Look at the center of circulation now near New York. Put this into motion and watch. Very heavy rain that moved over Baltimore, Washington, D.C., but right now heading up towards Long Island. Extremely heavy rain along with the potential for tornadoes, isolated tornadoes. Very heavy rain, flooding, and also some storm surges. To the east of us, we have some rain, showers, thunder showers in eastern Montana. These are the storms that should be hitting us. We need them. We need the rain, but they're going over the top of the ridge of high pressure, and then they hit Denver, Colorado, and move off of the front range. And severe weather then pops up in Oklahoma again, where they will see probably tornadoes tomorrow. For us, the Northwest is high pressure and hot. Not as hot today. We did get a little cool front go by. I know you probably didn't notice it. We are about 3 degrees cooler than we were yesterday, although Dunsmuir and from there south to Redding, we have a report of 109 in Redding because of the north winds behind the cold front are actually downsloping the Trinity Alps and the Siskiyous and Mount Shasta and actually heating up just like we do, just like the Brookings effect. That's the same Santa Ana effect. They get it in Redding. We should call it the Redding effect. I mean, you know, let's make up all these new names so we confuse everybody. But the bottom line is this kind of a wind is really just a Santa Ana wind. It's a Chinook wind. 90 degrees right now in Medford with the barometer holding steady. We have a little bit of wind out there right now. 92 in Grants Pass, 77 is average. 89 in Klamath Falls, 70 is average. 95 in Medford, 79 is average. So hot stuff. All right, pollen count. Not good, still high. Boy, that grass, those grasses are starting to climb, and if they climb up much more, we're going to be uncomfortable. Those who are allergic to grasses in particular are probably feeling this more than anybody else. So we have high pressure that's over us for a couple of days, and storms that move over the top of this high pressure are not strong enough to do much to it. They move by, they get strong as they go down the roller coaster ride. It's like they're on the top of the roller coaster and then they just whip into Oklahoma, Colorado, and areas eastward and do all kinds of crazy tornadic severe weather activity. And here we are under high pressure for Saturday. A couple of storms. They're trying to go by to the north of us Saturday and Sunday, but very strong high pressure and maybe even a degree or two warmer as we head into Sunday across the region. Now we have some gale warnings and some hazardous sea advisories because of very, very strong winds just offshore. Part of this is because of the downsloping winds into Brookings where it'll be 90, but not as windy along the coast communities. Coastal communities will be breezy. Warm in the Cascades, hot again in the basin. In Northern California, 104. 104 in Happy Camp. There are 3 ways to say it over 100, and I'm trying to say it the right way, okay? Along the coast, we have 90, then 73, then 63, 60s, clouds, and a little bit of fog. For the basin, 2 days getting up there above 90 on Sunday, then back to the 70s and 30s. And in the Rogue Valley, 2 very hot days, then 2 very comfortable days, and then something for everybody. 70s, that's right, that's near just slightly below normal.